In this video, we're unboxing the hydraulic puller tool set. This is the product label, the gloves, the instruction manual, the certificate of conformance, the rubber sealing rings, the pulling jaws, the puller base, the puller frame brackets, the retaining bolts, the hydraulic puller main body, the operating handle. This tool is for mechanical repairs, used for disassembling tight-fit components, mainly solves problems with seized parts, interference fits, or parts that haven't been removed in a long time. Let us move on how to use the tool. First, remove the screws from the puller frame brackets. Install a frame bracket onto the base. Install the washer. Install the remaining frame brackets the same way. This is what it looks like with all frame brackets installed well. Next, let's put the pulling tools together. Loosen the nuts and bolts. Take one pulling jaw. Install the washer. Line it up with the hole and slide the bolt through. Install the washer. Install the nuts. Install the remaining jaws the same way. This is what it looks like after the jaws are mounted. Remove two jaws and connect these jaws. We can use it as a two-jaw puller that fits different applications. Also, these jaws have different lengths, and there are both external and internal jaw configurations. Next, continue with the main body installation. Screw the main body into the base. Attach the operating handle. Hook the jaw onto the part needs to be removed. Align the center screw with a fixed point, then pump the handle up and down. We can see the center screw push outward. That can complete the disassembly of bearing. After the part is pulled off, once the part is removed, flip the knob to the on position. Releases the hydraulic pressure. Retract the center screw. After the center screw is fully retracted, turn it to off. Lock it. Before removing the part, do not remove it under pressure. The center screw must be retracted at the label here. Maximum rated output pulling force is 15 tons. Maximum opening span is from 50 to 300 millimeters. Maximum stroke is 50 millimeters. Maximum effective pull depth is 180 millimeters. The included sealing rings are for repairing the main body of the hydraulic puller. If the hydraulic puller is damaged or leaked, we can use those rings to repair.